What is going on, guys? Today I'm back on the main channel. Today I just rendered a YouTube video and now we are working hard. I'm rendering this YouTube video right now for the second channel where essentially I motivate and inspire others and start them and educate them to start making Fortnite maps. But guys, the moral of this video is just live life, bro. Come on. A lot of you guys have been tuning into the channel, rightfully so. I have a lot of advice that I can give you guys. And I've also gotten a lot smaller too, bro. I'm trying to get my muscle back. Like, I feel really, really small. But, you know, I haven't gone to the gym in like a month or two, but we're going to get back to it, you know. But besides that, this is the video. This is the stuff I want to talk about. So right now I'm rendering my YouTube video. And midway through the video, I had a little mental crisis kind of. I'm just turning off the lights. Well, it's not really a mental crisis at all, actually. It just like made me realize a lot of things, a lot more deeper. And this is one of them. Okay, so I kind of figured out that, let me just put this camera, where do I want to put this? Here? I kind of figured out, like, to have everything you want in life, you already have to have it. And, like, this is what I mean by that. Like, you already have everything you need, bro. That was the last video as well. And I promise you, I'm going to stretch this video out till 8 minutes. I will. I'm stretching this video out till 8 minutes, bro. I promise you. But guys, you have everything you need, bro. Like, I don't even give a shit about putting thumbnails and stuff on this video. I don't even care at all. I'm gonna just sit like this and talk to you guys. But yeah, like, I literally don't care at all. Like, a lot of people be like, put thumbnails on the videos. Bro, I'm talented at making thumbnails. I just don't even give a shit. Because I know I'm gonna have the millions of fame and the power. I'm gonna be famous. I'm gonna be famous doing this. Because I have a lot of wisdom and advice to share. So what makes me different? I'm different. I'm a different person. I'm better than a lot of people. I am. And you don't need to say it out loud, but you do need to possess it. Like, you need to have that charisma and the confidence in yourself. And you can have whatever you want, I promise you. So right now, I'm actually just editing the video right now. I'm putting on the captions. And it's very interesting because I see, like, dude, I almost graduated like 2 years ago, guys. And a lot of people are still struggling to find their own purpose in life. Yes, I looked at my teeth there. I'm getting Invisalign very soon. In like a month or 21 days-ish. But guys, I don't understand why people can't find their purpose in life. Like, mine is just helping, like, being a good force for humanity. Like, motivating and inspiring other people. That's my purpose in life. But what do I enjoy doing? And that's making videos. That's the thing. I like making videos. So it's all about, like, nurturing and crafting your talents and your skill sets in life, right? Like, everyone has skills. Everyone has something to share. Everyone has a story to live and a story to be told. You know, that could not only inspire millions, but inspire themselves to keep going. You know, like, there's so many people in life that repent, and they always use, you know, negative things that happen into their life as evil. Like, people comment on my teeth, this gap here, I don't give a shit. Like, bro, it doesn't, like, affect me at all, you know? I don't really understand. Like, people get so upset over such minuscule things in life, and they have it just destroy their lives. Like, you are the dictator of your lives. You're the creative director. You get to choose what you want to adhere to and take as value and take as truth, you know? Because ideas are just ideas, and truth is just an idea as well. We think this is right, you know, and that's what the truth is: morally corrected beliefs and biases and decisions. That's what I believe it is, because I mean, that's what I really know it is, to be honest. Because nobody forms an opinion without having some truth that's to them, you know. So right now I'm about to search up this title called Roberto Black, and I'm gonna put this thing on here. I seriously love you guys, though, man. Like, we're seriously gonna change our lives together. I promise you. You know, I probably will make these videos a lot better very soon. But this is kind of just the start, because if you look at the videos like 3 days prior, I had a whole bunch of thumbnails on them, and honestly, I don't really care about any of that. I think, like, realistically, let me just watch this for a second. Hold on, let's see. I made over $23,000 online making Fortnite Maps. You guys can literally just copy me because the day I'm going to show you. 1 second, guys. I'm just watching the intro right now. You guys need to start making money online, making Fortnite Maps, and making money online. Because throughout this video, you're going to be copying and emulating and replicating the top people inside of space and replicating the success that I've had. Trust me when I say, like, this is the conversation you guys need to be having in life, bro. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Starting off with number 1, which is your... Like, you guys need to be, just, like, start documenting your growth, bro. I'm gonna have 1 million followers on this channel doing what I love to do. And that's helping others. With whatever way I get there, I'm doing it right now. So, you already have the formula in head. It's already written in stone, bro. It's already all good. Y'all just gotta lock in, bro. Just like I am. Tomorrow is No Nut November, so I'll definitely be celebrating that. I mean, I'll be participating in that, because celibacy is good. I made over $23,000 online making Fortnite Maps, so you guys can literally just copy me. So now, I'm going to press export. And, wait, actually. I'm so thankful to have you guys inside of the channel. Businesses and sponsorship, you can reach out down below. Click the last video on the screen. I love you guys a lot, man. Okay, so I'm gonna go like this. Oh, man. Awesome. Export. We're gonna call this Fortnite Maps. So right now I'm just rendering the video, guys. Like, I don't know, like I know a lot of people will eventually get drawn to me as a person, but I just wish people were like more ambitious, I guess. Like, there's fighters in lives, bro. Like, you guys have it, bro. You can do whatever you want, guys. You can do whatever you want. I don't know how to express this. I'm literally living proof of it. You can do whatever you want, bro. I promise you, man. Bro, I'm living proof of it. I'm doing what I want right now. Sure, I don't have the fame and the people like you guys that are watching this video, right? But that's how you create it. You do what you want. You know, like, people think that they want to do the end result of an ambitious goal that they have. I want to do 1 million followers. Like, no, dude, you want to fall in love with the action of doing it, not the end result, you know? Like, it's just so interesting. Like, right now, I'm about to flex my muscles in this mirror right here. Don't really know why, but yeah, guys, I mean, you just got to live life, bro, and dream and reach and believe, bro. If you believe, you can achieve. That's what I say to everyone. If you believe, you can achieve. The law of attraction is real. My mom survived her open heart surgery, God willingly, you know, because she had faith and she believed in herself. And that's what all of you guys need to have as well. You need to be strong like my mama and me, includingly. And so yeah, I delivered on my promise, guys. This video is going to be 8 minutes long. So now I'm rendering the video in 4K right now, which is just titled Fortnite Maps, whatever, right? But it's so like crazy, guys. Like, life is so short-handed, bro. Like, you never know, you know, what's going to happen in life. It's interesting because you know, so many unexpected turns can happen. Like, you don't know who's going to perish. You don't know how long you're going to live. Like, but you also don't need to be overthinking about that. You don't need to be overthinking about that at all. Just live the life you want to live with purpose and dignity and self-respect and self-worth. And with self-worth, you'll have confidence. And with dignity, you'll have pride. And with purpose, you'll have yourself. Because that's what fuels the whole body. You know, doing stuff in routinely fashion, I guess, right? But I love you guys, man. We're all gonna chase our dreams and get rich together, I promise you. 999, guys. Don't know what to title this video, but I know a lot of you guys will see it. So, the ones that do, I love y'all. Have an amazing rest of your day, guys.